channel Easy Geography. Include 10 questions from the topic Higher Education. First question, what is the full form of NEET, an examination for admission into medical courses in India? Full form of NEET, N-E-E-T, National Employment Cum Entrance Test, National Effective Eligibility Test, National Entrance and Eligibility Test, National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. Full form of NEET is option D, National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. Second question, which of the following is not located in Hyderabad? It is not located in Hyderabad. Options, National Institute of Rural Development, National Institute of Nutrition, Indian Statistical Institute, National Institute of Small Industry Extension Training. Option C, Indian Statistical Institute. All others are located in Hyderabad. And the Indian Statistical Institute located at Kolkata. The first open university was set up in the state of, in India, the first open university is at Andhra Pradesh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Answer option A, Andhra Pradesh. Next one, match list 1 with list 2. List 1 includes some institutions and list 2 are the locations. List 1 include Indian Council of Historical Research, National Judicial Academy, Indian Schools of Mines University, Indian Institute of Forest. And the most famous is Indian Institute of Forest and it is located in Dehradun. And then the National Judicial Academy is at Bhopal. And the Indian Council of Historical Research is at New Delhi. And Indian School of Mines University is at Dhanbad. Next one, the number of regional offices of UGC. Options 8, 7, 6, 5. Number of regional offices of UGC is option C, 6. The headquarters is at New Delhi and the 6 regional offices are Pune, Bhopal, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Guwahati and Bangalore. Next one, which of the following bodies grants fund for higher education? Funds for higher education are UGC, state government, central government, municipal corporation. Except municipal corporation, all the others providing funds for higher education, UGC, state government and central government. Next one, which of the following organization looks after the quality of technical and management education in India? Options MGI, CSIR, NCTE, AICTE. The quality of technical and management education in India looks after by AICTE, All Indian Council of Technical Education. What is the name of the research station established by the Indian government for conducting research at Antarctic? Dakshin Gangotri, Yamunotri, Dakshinayan, Brahmaputra. The research center of India at Antarctic is Dakshin Gangotri. University Grants Commission was established with which of the following aims? Aim of UGC. Promotion of research and development in higher education, capacity building of teachers, identifying and sustaining institutions of potential learning. Answer option A, all the above. What is the ranking of IIT Delhi at the QS? QS means Kakerali Simmons and it is the World University Ranking. And according to the World University Ranking in 2019, the ranking of IIT Delhi is options 182, 172, 179, 167. Answer is option 172. The questions are over. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching, friends.